And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a Gemini Zodiac sign. I've got the snapping enabled right here, and I've got my rulers. If you can't see them, press Ctrl R, and then you can drag this guide out of there. Use the Bezier tool, it should snap to the guide. Hold Ctrl when you go downwards, left click again. Press Ctrl D to create a copy. Hold Ctrl when you drag it to the right hand side. Once again, Ctrl D to copy. Click on it again, hold Ctrl when you rotate it. When we position it, it should snap to the guide. Select it all, object, fill and stroke, and under stroke style, we've got the width. Let me increase it to 10, maybe 15. I want to make this line a little bit bigger, and I hold Shift when I drag it to the right hand side, so the left is adjusted automatically. We want to align it now, but first let us group the two lines right here. So only the vertical lines are selected, then I press Ctrl G, select it all, object, align and distribute, and use this function to align it to the center. To create the curve, we just use the nodes tool. You can see that your icon changes and you've got this little hand below it, and that means that you can just drag and bend this line. We position it, holding Ctrl, then select it all, Ctrl G, and then Ctrl D to copy it, and then flip it. Hold Ctrl when you drag the copy downwards, and then select it all, Ctrl G. Let me delete the guide, I hover over it and press the delete key, and I simply use the type tool here with the inbuilt sans serif font. Select it all and align it once more, and then select it all, Ctrl G to group it, and this I can create this Gemini Zodiac sign in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.